I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the phone to stop live tracking. Put the device in airplane mode and turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These radio links are primary trackers. If you need full certainty, remove the physical SIM or power the phone down and place it in a Faraday bag or continuous metal enclosure. Once done, use a separate trusted device or a landline for sensitive calls. This quick isolation prevents location pings and live data streams while you prepare the deeper checks. You now perform a systematic inspection to find persistent trackers. Review installed apps by last use and background activity, and inspect battery and data usage for anomalies. Hidden trackers often show unusual drains. Then check for mobile device management profiles, VPN, or configuration profiles that grant remote control, and audit recent location permission history. Next, run an offline antivirus and anti-spyware, scan from a verified tool, or boot into recovery mode for deeper checks. Make sure to document suspicious entries for removal. You finish by removing compromises and verifying the clean state. Uninstall any suspicious apps and delete unknown profiles, then perform a full factory reset if infection seems likely. This severs persistent malware. Once reset, reinstall the operating system from the official vendor and restore only backups you trust after scanning them. Finally, confirm no unexpected location reports or background processes reappear. Troubleshooting tip. If tracking continues after these steps, stop using the device and get a forensic expert. Preserve logs and hardware for professional analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.